I just had to let you know you're
Good day everyone. Today I will discuss the province of Rizal, one of the most important province in the Philippines. Let's begin with its exact locations. Rizal is located in Luzon under the Calabarzon region. It is surrounded by several areas. To the north is Bulacan, to the south is Laguna, to the west are Quezon City and Marikina. To the east is Quezon Province. Because of its location, Rizal serves as a gateway from Metro Manila to the Sierra Madre mountain range. Next is its official names, which is Province of Rizal. In terms of politics, Rizal follows a democratic provincial government system. It is led by a governor and vice-governor along with the Sangguniang Panlalawigan or provincial board, which helps create local laws. Rizal is composed one of city Antipolo, which is also its capital, in 13 municipalities such as Taytay, Cainta, and Binangonan. Now let's talk about its economic life. Rizal is considered a fast-growing province due to its proximity to Metro Manila. Its economy, including GDP and GNP, is supported by different sectors such as industry, agriculture, and tourism. Its exports include woodcraft, garments, and food products, while its imports consist of machinery, raw materials, and other goods used in manufacturing. Now let's move on to people, language, religion, and culture. The people of Rizal are mostly Tagalog. The main language spoken are Filipino and English, and the dominant religion is Roman Catholic. Rizal is also known for its unique culture. First is the Gigantes Festival in Hangono, where you can see giant colorful paper mask figure dancing in the streets. Second, Angono is known as the art capital of the Philippines and is the hometown of the famous artist Carlos Butong Francisco. Third is the tradition of pilgrimage in Antipolo, especially during Holy Week, which shows the strong faith of the Filipino people. Now let's explore the tourism and historical landmarks in Rizal. First is the Antipolo Cathedral. It is important because it is a major pilgrimage site visited by thousands of devotees. Its significance lies in showing the deep religious faith and tradition of Filipinos. Second is the Angono petroglyphs. This is important because it is the oldest known artwork in the Philippines. It shows the early life and culture of ancient Filipinos. Third is the Palo Alto Falls. It is important as a natural tourist attraction. Its significance highlights the beauty of nature and the importance of protecting the environment.